we will see how to fix error code 156. The recipient process has refused the signal. Error signal refused on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. The first one is terminate the affected process. And to terminate the affected process, right click on a start button and choose task manager. And here look for the apps or programs which are in process. Simply find out here and select it. You may type in search field for your programs and features apps and simply select it and choose end task. After clicking on end task, the processing will stop and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute these three DISM tool as shown on screen. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows after blinking cursor, and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Once successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any bad or corrupted system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open control panel in your system, and here available control panel items, go to programs and features. Here all your programs and features will available. Here go to that problematic apps or programs which you are facing error. Simply select it and uninstall it, and after that reinstall a fresh version of that particular apps and programs in your system. One more workaround before uninstalling, you can proceed with right click on start button and choose run, and here type RSTRUI and click on OK. This command will open restore system files and settings page. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. Here you will find recommended restore, but you may choose a different restore point. So click on this option and click on next and choose a different restore point. You may choose Windows Update or Windows Modular Installer. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event and click on next. And finally, confirm your restore point. Your computer will be back to this state and click on finish. After that, restart your system. Your problem should definitely be resolved.